Guys, we will see question number 5. They're asking find the points on x-axis. This is the key point on x-axis whose distance from this line is 4 units. So suppose any line is given. Okay, suppose ax plus by plus is 0 and distance from point x1 and y1 is given by a formula ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square, and this we should take mod. So this is the formula for distance. Now they're asking the point is already there, telling is present on x-axis. So that means that point that I can assume is h comma 0. Always remember on x-axis the y coordinate we have to take 0. So that information is helping us. X-axis means the y coordinate of the given point is 0 and h is unknown. Okay, so let me first convert this into standard form. So this is x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. Can I take LCM? 12. So 3 4s are, so 4x plus 3y is 1. 12 will go there. Okay, so this will become equal to 12. So we need this form. So 12 will also come this side. So 4x plus 3y minus 12 is 0. This is my standard form. Okay, if I compare it with this, so I am getting a is 4 and b is 3. Okay, because I am using it in this formula. So guys, just let me put the formula. D is ax1 by1 plus c. So what is x1 and y1 here is h and 0. So let me put it here. So I need 4x1 3y1 minus 12 by under root of a square plus b square, which is 4 square plus 3 square. Okay, so what it will become? x1 y1 is what? h comma 0. So it will be 4h plus 3 into 0 and minus 12 by what is this? 16 plus 9 under root. I think everybody knows it is nothing but 25. Okay, so if I solve it, so how much I will get, guys? And we have to put it mod. So distance I am getting is 4h. This I am leaving because 3 into 0 is 0, minus 12 mod by what is root of 25 is 5. This they have given is 4 units. They have given the distance is 4 units. So this is the key, guys. Here the distance is 4 units. The h is unknown. The points are unknown. Okay, so now let me take it here. So that means 4h minus 12 is 20. How to get h? I need to get rid of mod. Okay, guys. Remember, whenever mod x is given a, so how do we open it? Then x may be plus a or minus a. This you keep in mind. Okay, whenever we open mod is equal to a is given, then might be x was plus a or minus a. So I will take this here. So there are two cases. Either this might be plus 20 or it might be minus 20. Okay, guys, because I am opening mod. That is how we open mod. Okay, so here it is. I am getting 4h is 20 plus 12. Correct, this side. And what is 20 plus 12? It is nothing but 22. I'm sorry, 32. So what is h? 32 by 4, which is 8. Second possibility is 4h is equal to minus 20 plus 12, which is 4h is equal to minus 8. So that means this 4 will go here, and if I cancel, it's minus 2. So h is minus 2. So I got either 8 or that means the point that I had assumed was h comma 0. So there are two possible points. Either it was 8 comma 0 or it was minus 2 comma 0. So these are the 2 points from where the distance of this line is 4 units. So this was answer 5. 6, it says find the distance between parallel lines. Guys, remember, if lines are parallel, so coefficient of x should be same and coefficient of y should be same. That is the key. Okay, so actually for parallel lines, what is the condition? Condition is actually is that m1 should be equal to m2, and these two will be equal only if the coefficient of x and y are same. So clearly these two are parallel, and I have given you one formula for distance between two parallel lines. If there are two parallel lines, okay, so the distance between them is given by c1 minus c2 by root of a square plus b square mod. So this is the formula. So today I am going to use it. If I compare the standard equation for parallel lines is something like this. Plus c1 is 0. This is first equation. Second equation is ax plus by plus c2 is 0. Remember, a same, b same. So I have a same, b same. So what is my c1? c1 is this, and what is my c2 is this. So can I write c1 is minus 34 and c2 is plus 31. Yeah. So I have to just fit these values here. And what is my a? If I compare, a is 15. You compare it. And what is b, guys? B is 8. So it's just a fitting formula. D is equal to c1 minus c2. So it is minus 34 minus 31 mod, remember mod, by root of 15 square plus 8 square. So I have fit this formula here. That's it. Now I have to simplify it. So now what is d here? So d will be, this value is nothing but minus of 65 mod by this square plus this square, guys, 225 plus 64 under root, which is nothing but, okay. Now if I want to get rid of this mod, so if inside quantity is plus, then it says get out. If it is negative, then first make positive and take it out. So I made it positive, it came out. And what is this, guys? This plus this is nothing but 289. Okay, and root of 289, I think you should know by now, is 17. So this is my distance between these two lines on the coordinate axis. Okay, quickly we will see part B of the same question. It says, question B says that the lines are L, x plus y plus h is equal to 0 and L of x plus y minus r is equal to 0. So clearly the coefficient of x and y are L here, and here also coefficient of x, y, L. So they are parallel for sure. Okay. So if I compare it, or let me simplify, it is Lx plus Ly plus h is equal to 0, and this is Lx plus Ly minus r is equal to 0. If I compare it with this Ax plus By plus C is equal to 0, if I compare it, here my A is L, my B is also L, and what is my C1? Because there has to be two lines, this line and there is one more, Ax plus By plus C2 is 0, to find a distance, right? This distance. So there have to be two lines. So this is C1 and this is C2. If I compare, so I can say C1 is H and C2 is minus R. I got everything. So what is the formula? It is C1 minus C2 mod by root of a square plus b square. This you have to mug up, guys, somehow. You have to memorize this. So let me calculate C1 minus C2, which is this minus this. So H minus of minus R mod by a square plus b square. And what is a and b? Is this. So it will be root of L square plus L square, which is, this will become plus. So it is H plus R mod root of, what is this, 2L square. So it will be 2L square. Guys, we can't remove mod here because I'm not sure what are the values of H and R. So we will leave it here. Only L square will get out, and my final answer will be H plus R by root 2 of L. Why? Because L square will get out. So this is my answer. Okay, I hope you got it. This is H. Find the equation of line parallel to this and passing through this point. Okay, so equation of line ke liye we need two things. What do we need? Two things. What do we need? Usually we need slope, first thing, and second thing we usually a point. So a point is given, guys, and slope is also given in a hidden way. They are saying the line is parallel to this. Okay, so this is also provided little bit hidden. We have to extract it. So if line is parallel to this, so from here we will extract the slope. So 3x minus 4y plus 2 is 0. Okay, so how to get the slope? Slope ke liye, guys, I will have two methods. So one method is, if the equation is given, you compare it with ax plus by plus 0, then the slope is minus a by b. Second method is, you convert it into y is equal to mx plus c form and then extract m. I find this method easy. Please write it in your formula notebook. If this is the equation of line, slope is minus a by b. Okay. So for my given equation, my slope will be what? Minus a by b. So minus a means this is, which is minus 3, and b means this, which is minus 4. So my slope is 3 by 4. So this is also provided. That means is 3 by 4. So I got slope and point both. And what? Because why the slope is same as this line? Because the line has to be parallel. So what I want is parallel to this, means has the same slope as it has. So now what is the equation? Equation is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is my point slope form. If you remember, this is called point slope form. So I am given y1, x1 and m. So let me quickly write down the values. Y1, this is my point. The point is always x1, y1, guys. Okay. Y1 is 3. M I got 3 by 4 here, right? Into x minus x1. X1 is how much? Is minus 2. Okay. Just simplify it. Minus and minus will become plus. Okay. Now 4 will go here. So I am putting 4. Y minus 3 is equal to 3 into x plus 2. I just have to simplify it, guys. So what I will get here is 4y, and this into this will be what? Minus 12 is equal to this into this, this into this. So 3x plus 3 2s are 6. Okay. Now to get the final equation, I can take this here and this here. So I will get 3x plus 6. This I am copying. This is minus 4y plus 12 is 0. This is becoming plus here and this here. Why I am doing this? Because usually x coefficient we want to keep positive mostly. So equation is 3x minus 4y. What is 12 plus 6? Is 18. So this is my answer, guys. Find the equation of line perpendicular to this and having x-intercept as 3. So always two informations are given and which are provided here, x-intercept and perpendicular. So if we know x-intercept formula, which is rarely used, but y is equal to mx minus d. Remember this, where m is the slope of the line and what is d, guys? D is the x-intercept. Please write in your formula notebook. In the end of the chapter, I will provide one video which will contain all the formulas. So y is equal to mx minus d. So I need m. M I will extract from here. So I have been given this, x minus 7y plus 5 is 0. So I told you, if you compare it with ax plus by plus c 0, then what is your slope, guys? Is minus a by b. Okay. So what is a here? If I compare, a is 1 because nothing is there. So nothing means 1. By b, what is b here, guys? Minus 7. So this will become plus 1 by 7. Okay, so this is the slope of this given line, but the line that you want is perpendicular to this. Okay, so what is the condition for two perpendicular lines, guys? I think you know, and that condition says m1 into m2 is minus 1. So m1 is this 1 by 7. m2 I need for my line is minus 1. So that means m2 is, this will go here, is minus 7. This is what I wanted. And x-intercept is given, which is 3. Now I have to just apply the formula, which is y is equal to mx minus d. So y, m is minus 7, m I got, x minus d, d is 3. It is given in the question. So it will be is equal to minus 7x and minus will become plus 21, which is nothing but, I can write down, this 7x will go here and 21 will go here. So what it will become? 7x plus y is equal to 21. I'm keeping 21 here itself. Okay, this is my equation. See you next video. This is 9th question. It says angle between this line and this line. You have to find out. It's a very interesting question. The two lines are given. This is first line, suppose, and this is second line. Okay, and they are interested to find out the angle theta. Okay, so we know the formula for angle between two lines is tan theta is m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2, right? So we will use it. For that, I just need m1 and m2. That is my aim. In this formula, remember, guys, we take mod. Okay? So what is m1? So let me write the first equation. The first equation which is given is root 3x plus y is 1. So can I write it? Y is equal to minus root 3x plus 1. See, I am just bringing it here and 1 is there already. Compare it with y is equal to mx plus c. If I compare to what I am getting, m is this and c is this. So I think you understood. I am trying to get the slope of this line. So I am getting m is equal to, if I compare, minus root 3. Okay, so this is what I got. I can call it m1 because this is my first line. So let me write it here. m1 I got, guys, minus root 3. Similarly, now I will get the slope for second line. Second line is this line which is given in the question. So let me write it in this form, minus x plus 1. Understood? What I did, x I took here and 1 I am copying. Okay. So see, I am trying to make it y is equal to mx plus c. So y should not have any coefficient. I don't want it, right? So what should I do? I should divide by root 3 each and every term so that this is gone. So this is gone. I am getting y is equal to minus 1 by root 3x plus 1 by root 3. Now I am ready to compare it. Y is equal to mx plus c. From here, if I compare, I got my m and c. C is not useful here. So I will leave it. Only m2 I got. Because this is second line, I am calling it m2. So m2 I got 1 minus 1 by root 3. So let me write it here. So guys, I got minus 1 by root 3. Okay. So what I have to do is, just I have to keep the values of m1 and m2 here to get the angle. So let me start the procedure. Is m1 minus m2. So m1 is minus root 3 minus of, this is also minus guys. So I will put minus of 1 by root 3 mod of whole thing actually by 1 plus m1 into m2. So minus root 3 into minus of 1 by root 3. Okay. And whole mod. Okay. Now this minus will become plus. Perfect. So this is minus root 3. I can write later. And this I am writing first. So 1 by root 3 minus of root 3 by, now what is this guys? This minus and minus will become plus because this is into, and this root 3 will cancel. So it is 1 plus 1 and mod. Okay. Now what it will become? Now you see mod, you can't lose your mod. So here it will multiply it here. Okay. So 1 minus 3 by root 3 divided by 2. This 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay. Now let me simplify it a little bit more. I am getting this. So this is my tan theta guys. Okay. So what is 1 minus 3 is 2 by root 3 by 2 mod. Okay. How to simplify such type of problem is 2 by root 3, numerator is written as it is, into the denominator will flip and it will become into. This you should know. See, if you have a by b divided by c by d, so what it becomes? A by b into, this will flip d by c. That is what I am doing here. Okay. So these small things you should know. This 2 will cancel. So I am getting 1 by root 3 mod. So how to get rid of mod guys? If an inside is positive, we can just remove it. So that means my tan theta is 1 by root 3. So everybody knows theta should be 30 degree. That means the angle between these two lines is 30 degree. The line 1 and line 2. So this is my answer. I hope you understood. If in any case they are asking the other angle, this is acute angle. I always get acute angle, this one. In case they are asking the other angle, see between these two lines, this is also angle. Suppose this is theta. So you can get it, theta plus 30 is 180 always. See, if this angle they are asking, so you can say this angle theta plus 30 is always 180. So other angle will be 180 minus 30 in case they are asking the other angle. Okay. But in this formula that we are applying, we always get acute angle. I hope you got it.